Hello YouTube, this will be a short video of my new color display gear indicator for motorcycle or car. For that matter, if you install separate switches for your gears. Let me turn it on and show it to you. This will be shipped out today to the UK. And as you might know, I can also ship to the USA and Canada. Not to all countries yet, unfortunately, but hopefully we're getting there. So if you're in gear and not in neutral, this is what you're getting. The two images were customer request. So if you're not in gear, as I said, you connect the green wire. Well, actually it's the green wire to positive 12 volt to where your neutral light is, and then it does select neutral. It shows neutral, and then the white wire, the color of the wires can change. So the other color, this is the downshift into first gear, and then you shift up into second, third, fourth, fifth, and in his case sixth gear, and then you switch down again to fourth, third, second, first, and then to neutral. Or if you're in second gear and happen to switch into neutral, it shows you the neutral. And this is basically it. You have positive 12 volt ground, the 12 volt input for the neutral switch or light, and then upshift and downshift the other way around. So downshift and upshift into the higher gears. And this is basically it. All the inputs have reverse polarity protection. So the 12 volt input does have it, the 12 volt input for the neutral light does have it, and also the other two up and downshift inputs have all reverse polarity inputs. Sorry, I had to pause the video real quick. So anyway, this is actually the blue color. The background color is again per customer request, because he has a Kawasaki, and the original LCD display has the same blue background color, and even the digits here are not real black but the same dark gray as he has. This can be obviously be made in any color that you like, so there is no limit on that. So you can have a different background color, you can have different digit colors, you can have even digit colors with the shadows of the non-lighted up digit colors. So all that is possible. So this is it. Let me turn it off and show you the back of it real quick, so you know how it looks like from the back. So this is the back, and it's all screwed together. You have the fibers coming out, and the shape and size that I picked for the head scan gauges were not just random, but so they do fit into a GoPro Session waterproof case. So in case you mount it on your motorcycle, obviously you have a waterproof gauge display, gear display. You can just drill a small hole into the enclosure and get the wires out of there. You can put a little bit silicone around it to waterproof it, and the case itself is obviously waterproof. You can see around the edges here. This is just one version of the case. There are many different versions out there. So this is it, and with the GoPro mounting options you have for gear handles or whatnot, you're free to choose whatever fits your bike or application. So this was it, and I do have not yet, I had custom carbon fiber cut front panels ordered, but it's been over 3 months. I said it before. They did not arrive, probably got lost somewhere due to the pandemic, and I will order new ones again. So that will be also an option to have it in a real carbon fiber front, either glossy or matte, like I have. Sorry, I said short video and it's dragging on again, right? So this is another frame that I had. So this is the shiny front and this is the matte. So whichever you prefer, you can have that. This is for the OLED version of the gauges that I have. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Take care, everybody, and also a big thank you to all my supporters, and I greatly appreciate it. Thanks and have a great week.